Kind of, oh damn, I felt kind of sad there. Oh wow, man. Hello y'all, I'm Xavier. Welcome to the channel or welcome back. Today we're gonna be watching My Oxford Year. It's a new Netflix movie. So apparently it's a rom-com. Might not be something like that. I'm not too sure. But I saw people watching it and they enjoyed it, so I figured, why not? Let's see. And yeah, so it says a grad student, played by Sofia Carson, embraces the messiness of life when she falls in love at Oxford in this film from the producers of The Fault in Our Stars. And the male lead is Corey Mylchreest. I'm sure I've seen him in some other stuff before. Probably I'll do some. I'll look it up for the post discussion. And yeah, let's get into it. Ana de la Vega, and she went to Cornell and doing her grad at Oxford.
Traveled 10,000 miles to spend my first morning in England talking to some wise-ass chick from Weehawken, New Jersey.
Ay, y ya tiene un trabajo en Goldman Sachs para cuando vuelva. Oh, imagine. Beautiful England. Although I do hear it rains a lot.
Okay, so they're setting up her home life. I'm sure that's gonna play a part later in the movie. We'll see.
Oh. Everything was going exactly to plan until it wasn't.
Oh yeah. Rough. You got this. You can make it through.
Hi, I'm Anna de la Vega.
Who the bloody hell's that?
An American. I mean, wonderful face, shocking shoes.
Oh, I thought they were gonna do like a time skip sort of thing. Or maybe that was, I don't know. She's got a whole list and everything. Okay. As there was ODE 107F, something like that. We'll see if that plays again.
Hi, I would like to order some fish and chips, please.
Haddock?
A duck? No, fish.
Yeah, haddock. Or cod. Or saveloy.
I'm not, just fish and chips?
Large.
Large, yes.
8.50, 5 minutes.
Chips? Should you be having those?
Oh my God, you're so right. Moment on lips, lifetime on hips, right? Can we make that 2 extra large?
It's not me telling you that you can't have it. What are you doing? Oh my God, are you hiding?
No.
You're hiding from Jessica Bourne. Honestly, it is a wonder you can get out of the house with all of the women you leave in your wake.
Yeah, oh yeah, sure.
She probably recognized your car.
Yeah, probably. One of the pitfalls of owning a rare car, it's like a beacon. Should have driven a Ford Focus.
Oh, it's the car that's
Oh my God. You! Yeah, you're the bell end. You drenched me with your car.
Oh. 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 Well, I'm shit.
Yes, you are.
I really am sorry. Genuinely.
Yeah, me too. Hey! He's in here! Hiding from you!
Good job. Yeah, I would do the same thing. And I don't think that's the thing that she wanted to use.
Jessica, darling.
Oh. Oh boy.
Your time here is precious. It will disappear in a blink.
okay, you're on time.
Was it the thing with the...
And Maggie Timms. Charlie, how was your summer?
Oh, it's the guy.
Hello, new girl.
We've actually met.
Yes,
Your neighbor, you said I had shocking shoes.
you did.
Surprised a charmer like you could remain loveless all summer.
Loveless, darling, not sexless.
She's the reason I came here.
Terrible news, I'm afraid.
Damn shame, isn't it?
My cover is more than able. In fact, he's my annoyingly brilliant DPhil student. It's not exploiting youth labour. He actually wants to teach. His lookout. Over to you, Jamie.
Thank you. Hello.
Got to be kidding me.
Okay, now that is a serious bit of crumpet.
I thought that I would set the tone by offering you a bribe. It's a massive cake.
Yes, we can see.
Hello. It's you.
Hi,
Hi.
New York.
New York, New York. Welcome, welcome. And they do say that everything bigger in New York.
Actually, that's Texas.
Yeah.
Either way.
Eat the cake.
I don't really want the cake, thank you.
It's just that Mrs. Mackenzie sort of crafted it in our very own college kitchen, so it's basically an insult to the college, everyone here, and all of Oxford.
Well, I'm going to eat it.
I'm not going to force you to eat it. It's slightly unusual.
But I want.
I know you do, but
I insist.
Dude, that's a big piece of cake.
Mmm.
good. So poetry.
My candle burns at both ends. It will not last the night. But my foes, and my friends, it gives a lovely light.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a short poem.
Well-lived life might come at a price, but bugger me if it's not worth every penny. Poetry can be taught, but really, it should be tried. Tested. It should be engaged with. Take it on. Allow it to change your life. I will endeavor to teach you but one thing in my class.
What's that?
Can anyone guess what it might be?
No, I cannot.
To eat cake?
Every chance you get.
What? She was right. Enjoy life.
I don't normally hide in chip shops.
And drench people with puddles.
Yeah.
Terrible mistake.
Oh.
Impromptu wet t-shirt competition. But if I did, then you'd win. Shouldn't be discussing wet t-shirt competition.
Yeah.
Never been to one. Obviously.
Well, obviously.
I'm actually very mature.
Doubting that.
Right, get on. I know a man.
Is it safe?
Oh, I wouldn't have thought so.
I think I'll follow you.
Well, I hope you're quick.
He's literally running after the bike.
Coming! Anna, which are we destined to be? Friends or lovers?
Friends.
Absolutely sure?
Positive.
100%?
Friends.
Wow, cold.
Yeah. Alright, interesting. Very interesting.
It's funny. It's classic, so subversive.
She's right, you know, naked attraction is subversive.
Oh, no, I meant A Man's Requirements by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Brilliant. It's perfect for Professor Davenport. I'm gonna go send it.
My God, she's keen. She's left before they revealed the penises.
Oh, there they are.
You better be there. Do you hear me?
Probably his father. That's what I'm guessing. Definitely family member. Family member for real. For sure.
What did you think of my work?
Work. It's exactly what it felt like. The suffragettes, the birth of feminism, Salem witch hunts. It's an extraordinary accomplishment. You did everything except the assignment.
Oh, what was the assignment?
I will go work on it some more.
Wait, no.
Did you not want the critique?
Are only meaningful if they last forever.
Of course.
Ah, interesting.
You think that it speaks to something about me, which is disappointing because I wanted to know something about you.
Ah, love, let us be true to one another. For the world which seems to lie before us like a land of dreams, so various, so beautiful, so new,
Hath really neither joy nor love nor light.
nor certitude, nor peace, nor help for pain. And we are here as on a darkling plain,
Swept with confused alarms of struggle and flight.
where ignorant armies clash by night. I think that the reality of life is that it's hard, but at least we have each other.
Found hope in the single most pessimistic poem of the Victorian era.
I think she's right though. I agree.
Jamie, I just got a call from your dad.
Oh!
I'm so sorry. Hi, Cecilia. We're just finishing.
Yep.
Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
It has been brought to our attention that you've never been to a pub.
True.
Disgraceful. Put some shoes on and follow us immediately. Oh, no, not those ones.
Yes, exactly.
Do we need to talk about Tom?
All right, do you fancy him?
No, but you do.
He's the dog's bollocks.
You think he's the dog's balls?
Oh, no, it's a good thing.
You're saying that all Americans are stupid.
No, you're blunt, naive, which I happen to find endearing.
And about what exactly are we so painfully naive?
Little things, geography, wealth, your gun culture, your impact on other countries, your will.
Hey, Miss Mexico. Miss Diversity Quota.
What are you doing, bro?
We all know you're here to make up the numbers. And I will forgive you for taking the place of someone far more deserving if you buy me a drink.
That's an interesting way to flirt. An absolutely stupid one.
How about you share mine?
Oh!
This is not. Oh!
Wait. Right.
I don't need rescuing, thank you.
To be clear, I was rescuing him. The gargoyles, actually, they're especially vicious at night. They eat American. So, Anna, why did you choose Oxford?
I have a library fetish.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just think there's no better smell in the world than the smell of old books.
Yeah.
As a layman, what does an analyst do?
Digging into companies, their accounts, and compiling that information into reports for corporate clients.
That sounds riveting.
Exactly.
Well, not everyone can afford a vintage car on a teacher's salary.
Gag him!
She found a new dream. To make enough money not to have to worry about money.
Money can't solve all problems.
It's literally something only rich people say.
Yeah, that's a...
A large? You got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
College, Oxford, Goldman, period.
Got it all planned out.
I mean, you have to, don't you think?
I think that life has a way of derailing even the best laid plans.
Yeah, I agree. That is very true.
I'm also of the opinion that the best bits of life are often the messy.
I don't know about that.
Prep school, private tutors, Eden, Oxford.
How did you know that I needed a tutor?
I said tutors.
Almost certain I could do better than that. Yeah.
You sing, Professor Davenport.
Bacteria overflow.
Awful name.
So does that mean that if I buy you a drink, that makes me a groupie?
Yes.
Singing Gold Please Yellow, Jamie Davenport! Where are you, Jamie?
Sorry, Anna. What have you done?
I just booked your third gig. Jamie!
Please, look at the stars. See how they shine for you. Thing that you do.
They're all yellow.
Never came along.
Wrote a song for you.
And all the things you...
I don't know the song. I just have to follow. You was called...
So then...
Have you heard this song before?
And it was all yellow. your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. Yeah, you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
That's a great bonding moment. Not gonna lie. I can see how they fall in love. There's some chemistry there between them.
I'm about to introduce you to a true Oxford institution.
Oh my god, I need a napkin.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Resist. This is the messy bit.
But, I had a really great time.
I'm sure she did. Okay, you can walk away now. Walk away.
So would you care to come up for some tea and crumpet?
Better not. Right, Anna.
That's the right thing to do. Walk away. I knew you would walk away.
American. It's powerful. It's going to knock their socks off.
Thank you. And you look great as Dracula.
Killer Anthony Bridgerton, honestly.
Wrong party.
Not a costume party?
No Wonder Woman. Could really do with saving from that bloke.
Ah, not your type.
Well, I wouldn't mind if you gave me a ride in your invisible plane.
What?
She has an invisible plane that you can't see it. It's invisible.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop, bro. Yeah. The joke, once you have to explain it like that, cut the joke. The dancing.
Because it ruins the coordination, and it happens all the time to guys that are top heavy.
What? What are you talking about, Rowan?
The, race coming up soon?
No, wouldn't be out if it was.
Ah, I was right.
Come here.
I'm hungry.
You're right.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was thinking. Good night.
Sad to see.
Smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
We went to Dimitri's.
What? Most people don't know is that 120.
Calm down, man.
Dimitri's is our place.
Ours? When was this printed? Professor? 1917.
1917.
That's a great movie, actually. I like watching that movie. Are we gonna kiss now? In the rain? Go in the car!
Yours? How long will it take you to put the top up?
Fun.
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 Fun!
So fun.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yay, fun!
Well, I wouldn't say we're an item. We're just having fun.
Yes, that's what he's good at.
Yeah.
But the question is, are you? When it comes down to it, it's hard not to get emotionally involved.
Like you are, I'm sure.
Trust me, Anna. It's not worth the pain. Enjoy your tea.
Okay. Ominous.
I don't need money, I don't need to be cool. I trade with you. Darling, you're the only music on my mind.
don't want to go? You're a bore. How about your place?
There are these like killer vines at the moment that sort of like.
Okay, so there's something about the house with his father. There's something there. Yeah, clock that. Be My Valentine, not my Saint Valentine. He was beheaded by Claudius II. Okay.
Don't get distracted, huh?
She is not reading at all. Nothing about no Goldman Sachs.
A grand tour.
Yeah, like Byron, you got to start in Paris, get drunk by the Seine, of course.
Of course.
To Venice, and spend the whole night on a gondola, and then I'd go to Greece, and I'd visit the Temple of Poseidon. It's high on a promontory above the Aegean Sea, glorious beach to, as Tennyson said, watch sunset and evening star.
A glorious beach where though?
Go to the red light district in Amsterdam.
I'm not that kind of girl.
No, there's a church there, Our Lord in the Attic. Hidden door leads you to this sanctuary. It's so beautiful.
Is that actually true?
Take your breath away.
Oh, I need to find that out.
We could go together.
Together?
Oh, this was just...
I don't know, Professor, that sounds rather serious.
Yeah, this is supposed to be...
I'm only looking for fun.
Exactly.
Maybe instead of a grand tour, we could do a small tour.
Yeah.
Round my place.
Oh.
Your place?
Oh, finally.
God, it's been so long, I assumed you lived in that car.
Alright, he's not doing the marking. He's just doing the teaching. I forgot that part. Cause I was... Okay, but yeah, I get it.
Did you build these toy cars?
They're model cars. But yes, when I was a kid with my dad.
And my brother, Eddie. We'd spend days on each one, the three of us.
You broke it?
Hours into the night.
I'm sure we can be fixed though.
That was the last thing that we did before Eddie died.
Ew.
It's funny. Sorry. Every person in your family plays a certain role.
You just drove right past that, didn't you?
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Have you spoken to him about it?
We're Englishmen, Anna. We don't talk about our feelings.
Right.
It'll be the first time I've told anyone I'm not speaking to my dad.
Well, you explained the obvious.
How did your brother
Let's continue with the tour.
See, you drove right past it again.
The boat race next weekend? Are you coming?
I am going to be really busy over the next few weeks. I have to really focus on my doctoral thesis.
Right. Of course. I'm gonna go get dressed.
Yeah.
Yes, great, thank you.
He is not focused on you at all. Wait, isn't he supposed to be in the race?
Although you must be sick of seeing him all the time in the library every day.
Oh, no. I haven't seen Jamie in weeks.
And
It was probably an innocent misunderstanding. Jamie is not the type to sleep around.
Yes, he is.
Okay, look, you knew that he was a player. You declared you wanted casual. This is basically what you asked for.
Cecilia warned me to stay away.
She did?
Ladies won by the exact yardage I bet on, 152. I've just won 500 quid.
Yeah!
The beers are on me. Come on. To the bar!
Maggie, please, come on.
Listen, if he wants to see other people, I'm fine with that.
Sure you are.
Bollocks. Bollocks. Yeah. Bollocks to this.
I'm sure this is a bad idea.
No, Anna, wait. Anna.
What is this?
Get out!
Jamie,
Get out!
Okay, so this is why people were saying it's sad. Is he gonna die? I'm definitely thinking that's what's gonna happen. Is that him?
The time it had earned him was just spent in the hospital in pain. You don't live longer, you just die slower. Well, I've had Cecilia, who was Eddie's girlfriend. With him through all of it. Basically family now. Damn! What you saw was my final treatment, so maybe it buys me time, maybe it doesn't. But either way, I won't submit myself to any more. My father simply can't respect that choice.
Okay. Two sons dead of the same disease. That's gotta be wild.
I think this would be my death row meal. What about you?
How is any of this funny?
Of course, it's funny to him. He's got a lot of time.
I saw what happened to Cecilia with Eddie. I'm not putting you through that. But my illness isn't fun, so it ends now.
I don't think it end. I don't think it will end now, but we'll see.
Just because something is fleeting doesn't mean it's not meaningful. I can't pretend to understand what you're going through, but I know that you don't have to do it alone.
But he wants to.
This is the messiness of life, and as an annoyingly brilliant man once told me, these are the best bits.
Feelings too deep for her to give up on him. That sucks. Why?
Nothing's changed. Keep having fun.
Keep having fun.
Yeah. Fun. This is the most the word fun has been used in a movie. It gotta be.
I'm gonna get drunk and go on a fucking Ferris wheel.
Yay!
Jamie, if we could, perhaps just...
Nope.
Anna, you look absolutely...
What was the third option, though?
It's a shame it takes a dress and heels for a guy to notice.
No, Maggie and I were just...
Friends.
Friends?
Yeah.
Hey, mate. Don't get involved, don't get hurt.
Come on, bro. Nobody's buying that.
He needs to return to our home for more treatment, and I expect you to help us convince him. I'm so glad we've reached this understanding.
He's not gonna shake.
Jamie said that words were exchanged when Edward died. What did you say to him?
You dare to judge me.
Exactly. Who are you to judge him?
You have no idea what it's like to lose a child, knowing you may soon lose another.
Exactly. Like, who does Anna think she is? Sorry, I can't rate that. Like, who does she think he is? Like, get off it, man.
Okay, as your friend, I think he...
Do you want a drink? I do.
And steamroller over it again. His favorite thing to do.
I mean, honestly, they'd call me Bender like Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo.
And after a match, maybe we could get dinner, watch a movie?
No, I just, I will be straight back. So I'm just gonna...
Oh, okay. What?
Do I look like the kind of guy that's ready to commit?
I don't know who on earth you are. I shall be a spinster forever, I suppose.
Okay, so Cecilia earlier on in the movie was trying to just warn Anna away from this because she knew about the disease. Yeah, I get it.
When perhaps you and I could be, you know... I can teach you to unicycle.
Tom, are you chatting me up?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to dance?
La la la.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Much worse than that.
I don't think you can get much worse than that, man. Famous last words? Oh no, it's much better. See? It's so cool.
I love your mom.
Thing.
Jamie! Jamie! Jamie!
Do you like those flowers? They're fake.
Can you exist without your irony?
No.
No.
Exactly.
Professor Stein's asked me to step in once again, apologies, to discuss Tennyson's Crossing the Bar. Arguably,
Yep, his father is very emotionally wrecked.
Maggie, it is not the length of time that you spend on Earth, maybe it's what you do with it.
Poignant. Very real. Real AF.
Jesus Christ, look at the road!
Slow down, we're turning! Oh my god!
Whoa, hey, whoa! That is actually dangerous.
Please, please, please be careful.
Oh, come on, this is so much fun.
No, it is not.
Oh my god.
7 times removed was groom of the stool, meaning he wiped the king's arse.
But Lord Norris was very powerful. He had the ear of the king.
And not just.
Surprise!
No, you didn't.
I'm afraid I did.
Surprise!
Jamie, I don't like surprises.
Guys?
Should we,
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Surprise!
Bend over.
Yeah.
Oh my god, get a room.
Ah, okay, so actually in croquet, that's terrible.
Yes, I can
Okay, just
see
have a
that.
bad teacher.
Really?
Might we have a word?
Must we? Today?
Fine.
Yeah.
I spoke with Dr. Patel, and he said there's a new drug.
No more drugs. Told you I'm done.
You have to keep fighting!
God, you just don't get it!
I never favored
You
him.
know what you said? I know what you said.
What did you say? What did he say?
I was a mess. I was grieving my son.
My brother.
I'm just trying to keep you alive.
It's not your decision to make.
Yeah, that is true.
How's the birthday going?
Could have been better.
Still time for things to improve.
Yeah.
Or get worse.
Over the optimist.
Yes.
Brought you a present.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, I said, oh, same as him. Stop and consider life is but a day, a fragile dewdrop on the perilous way.
Predictable, but you can never have too many pairs of good shoes.
And he hates her shoes.
I could never regret it.
Fair answer. Fair answer. I did not think she was gonna say that. Not gonna lie.
I gotta go. No, whoa, hey, hey, ha Oh, I'm so sorry. And then we finished it.
Oh, yes. Look.
Yes.
What, sir, are your intentions? Because let's be honest, you were a shagger.
Oh.
Serious, like more bangs than bonfire night. You know, would
Okay, alright.
running for a bus, sometimes it was. But you seem to have settled down, and I won't find herself alone in 6 months' time.
What the fuck?
Sorry, what's funny?
If there is one thing that is absolutely certain, it's that I will be leaving her.
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Thank you.
I love you too.
Okay. Wow.
Only 2 more weeks until you're back, mi amor.
Yeah,
She's delaying, isn't she?
I'm staying here.
What? You never know if a choice you make is right or wrong until you make it. And even then.
I don't know about that. Sometimes you know a choice is gonna be bad for you.
But what matters is that they are yours to make. I also meant we are here for you, no matter what you choose to do.
Love that.
I will tell them tomorrow that I am not taking the job.
You're not staying?
Jamie.
No, Anna. Have you spoken to Cecilia? There's no future here.
We've moved beyond that, haven't we?
You can't stay, Anna. I won't let you. You're being ridiculous.
Stop telling me what I am. Yours to mold to your ideals, but I'm not, Jamie.
Yes, I know that you're not, because I would never let you make such a bloody stupid decision.
Smile. It's a video, guys.
I think I have a date tonight.
Can double date with me and Tom?
No, she will not.
I would love to. Oh, great.
She will.
Can I get a triple date tonight?
No.
Half light, half shadow, let my spirit sleep. They never learnt to love who never knew to weep. Tennyson. But I've been listening. They don't give out degrees here for nothing. It's a date. See you later.
So, unicycle to the pub?
A student asked me to set this book for them. Is that okay?
Is Anna the student?
It reads differently now.
She is.
I had it all wrong. Living deliberately. Wasn't planning everything, but being definite about every small moment. Because a succession of moments is really all we have.
Profound.
And I want mine to be with you. However many we have left.
Anna, I want this more than anything. But this is madness.
That's what love makes you do.
Well, I'm of the opinion that you should never regret the things you do. You should only regret the things you don't do.
Bars, bars, bars.
Do you want me to sing?
Definitely. You still owe me that, Celine Dion.
Here we go again. The way I write your name.
I buy them. I get it.
On your way if you really
I know I'm saying that near the end of the movie. I think this is the end of the movie, but yeah. I know this is what I'm saying that, but yeah.
you decide.
I get it.
Go back to being friends.
Everything's
Go out of school. And even how the change rainbow. Don't be afraid.
He's still alive, right? Yeah, he is.
This would be a good time for us to discuss treatment moving forward.
No, that's up to Jamie. I think he'd prefer to let nature take its course, and we should respect that. Thank you.
Oh, damn, I felt kind of sad there. Oh, wow, man. Felt it. No, right here. I don't think I said it yet. No, I haven't said it yet, but I like the house as character. Not, like up to date with
No, you stayed there trying to
the
go on your
walls and
grand
stuff.
tour.
Like all the finishings and furniture and everything is like
We should go together.
all nice and everything, and then the walls they need to update and everything, but they haven't. This is all hypothetical, obviously, because he's not leaving that bed. I don't think.
Got drunk by the sun. And we'd go to the temple of Poseidon. And swim in the Aegean Sea.
She went on the trip alone. Yeah. But Is she a teacher? Yeah, I think she's like.
Poetry can be taught, but really it should be lived. Let it in and allow it to change your life.
Yeah.
So as this is my first class,
Cake.
I'd like to begin by offering you a bribe.
Alright, so that was my ox for the year. And I'm gonna try and keep this short and sweet. Okay, so I have this opinion here on the screen that I don't necessarily agree with fully, but it spoke to something that I forgot to mention, wherein I feel Sofia, also the two leads, he was the weaker performance. I'm just starting this in here, just right here. But yeah, she was the weaker performance of the two, and it didn't like necessarily detract from the movie, but it was noticeable in a few scenes where I'm like, was this like the mistake they had? I don't know. It could have got a little look at something more. You see me? Yeah, but yeah. So that's my take. I felt to put in there. Right. So Sofia Carson, I've seen her before in The Lifeless. She was the lead actress in that. That's where I know her from. That's why her face is familiar to me. And the male lead, Corey Mylchreest, I'm assuming that's how his name is pronounced. Queen Charlotte. He was King George. That's how I know him. So yeah, I was like, why do I know this guy's face? And obviously, yeah, he's King George, right? But yeah, so I am pretty glad I watched this movie. It was well done, acting on par, no notes. But I don't know. I think some of those scenes could have been better. I just didn't feel it. No, I felt it, but I could have felt it more in some specific scenes. But it's not enough to like drag the movie down or anything like that. But, it was still a good watch. And so it's a love story, but a tragic love story, and it's about life, and just you may have like a plan for how you want things to go, but like, as I relate to it, doesn't always pan out how you expect it to. You know, it's like a winding road, ups and downs. Things don't always go as expected, and you can't plan for it. You don't know what's gonna happen. The best laid plans wrought are left open to ruin. So wrought for ruin. I think that sounds good to say. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. But yeah, so it is a testament to how well done this is that you felt for everyone at the end where Jamie is like, no, no more treatments. This is how I'm gonna face this thing. And you felt the sadness, and it was immeasurable. And I also felt the sadness because then I felt it, and then you saw her on the trip by herself. First, I was thinking, oh, it is an hypothetical trip. They're fantasizing about taking this trip together, and that's how she's describing it. Nope. It's about them sorry, it's about them. Yeah, it's about them taking a trip together in actuality, but he's there with her in spirit. But she's taking. But in that reality, she's taking the trip alone. And when I saw the panning shot where they're panning around her head, and I'm like, wait, he's not there. God, obviously I knew there was one there, but then I realized, oh, she's doing it, and just everything just that you felt and saw, it just whelmed you. You know, it whelms you. So well done. So I'm glad I was warned that it's gonna be a slightly sad ending, but I was like, oh, it's a sad ending. I'll just be okay. But you know, I was kind of teary eyed there, you know, a little bit. So last time I cried, watching something was last two times. One day, that movie that the net with Netflix when they did this as a series. I haven't watched the movie. Also, Andor after the scene on Gorman near the end of season 2. I won't spoil it if you haven't watched Andor yet, but check out my reactions to Andor. But yeah, and you just feel both things had to do with death and just grief. And when I tell you I had to pause what I was doing both times, man, and I was tempted to hear, woohoo, you know. So yeah, but before I forget, the nice little bits of comedy in this. I like the story. It was mostly like comedy and all of this throughout until it reached the end, and they overwhelmed me with sadness because they've been making you laugh all this time, and it was like enjoying the love story and the chemistry between these two people. And it was like a twist that you think, oh, Cecilia she's a love interest for him, but no, he's actually his brother's ex, his dead brother's ex, who's been helping him through this transition that he's about to do, where he's gonna die because he won't try any more further treatments. He, what a oops, yeah. So what can you say to that? You know, yeah. So did not see that coming, but I get it. I'm sure if I watch it through, I will see that it wasn't romantic between them. It might have been me just reading it as that, you know. But yeah, especially with how he was talking with her in the chip shop. I was thinking there was kind of like an open relationship type thing. We're just keeping it fun like him and Anna. But nope. It was different than that, you know? So yeah. But yeah. Well done. Enjoy the watch. Even through the tears. The tears made it worth it. In the sense that, yeah, I wouldn't do that if I didn't feel it, if the movie wasn't good enough to do that. It's not that the best movie ever, but I'm glad I spent the time. Yeah. Until next time. I have no idea. Goodbye.